Hi, I'm Jacques Nack, CEO of JNN Group Inc. and Quantum. Over 20 years, I've helped leaders in fintech, healthcare, and technology push the boundaries of innovation while making sure ethics, privacy, and trust never get left behind. So today I want to share three essential ways to navigate AI ethics in governance. Because in the AI era, the question isn't just what we can do with data, but what we should do with it. So first, let's think about building ethics into AI from day one. So too often, companies treat ethics as an afterthought, something to fix after deployment. It's a costly mistake, right? This is not where you build and iterate and iterate. No, from day one, you include ethics and you consider how you will deploy that data. That means from the start, establishing clear ethical guidelines on how AI can and cannot use the data. That means defining boundaries and transparency, having clear way to explain how you use that data and what your algorithms do. For example, when working on healthcare analytics, we integrate fairness checks into AI pipeline before the first data is even processed. This not only ensures compliance with regulations like GDPR and HIPAA, it builds trust with users and with stakeholders. Another point is make data privacy non-negotiable. AI thrives on data, but that doesn't mean every piece of information should be accessible. Implement governance framework that prioritize consent, minimize collection, and enforce strong encryption and anonymization. In our work, we treat privacy as an operational standard, not a checkbox. So whether it's financial data, services, cloud-based solutions, we ensure that privacy protection is built straight into every stage of collection, processing, and storage. JNN Group, for instance, operates an AI-powered audit and compliance platform. This is a solution that leverages AI to guide our client through every step of the process to become compliant with their resources, but it also helps them prompt and determine which evidence they should put into to document their decisions. What happens often is that sensitive information is put into our services. Well, we had to consider that upfront, and we had to ensure that those client secrets remain private and only available to them, right? This is not an afterthought. It was part of the software design from day one. So if your AI solution violates privacy, it won't survive in today's regulatory climates. When people are trying to log into Compliance Core from Singapore, the first decision they ask is your data and your data center located near us in Singapore? If I have a client coming in from the UK, same question. Can I hold dominion over the data that I share with you? And what are my contributory licenses for the information that I put in while using your tool? So very important to consider how you protect that information from day one. The next thing is to talk about how we foster continuous oversight and accountability. AI models evolve, and so should your governance. That means ongoing audits, bias monitoring, and clear lines of accountability when issues arise. Today, I see many companies using automated sales tools to talk to their clients. That means you have a chatbot representing your company, your CEO, your COO, talking to someone else, and sometimes they drift off. We had a very good example recently with a very public CEO whose chatbot started to say things that were not quite acceptable, right? And so establishing a process, a workflow, establishing a governance board that allows you to regularly review your AI performance against your stated principle is something that is not an option. It is absolutely key. So at JNN Group, we found that embedding cross-functional team, engineers, legal experts, and business leaders into oversight on AI oversight can help prevent blind spot, but it also ensures decisions are well-rounded. A good example that we have, for instance, at JNN Group, is when building processing pipeline, implementing manual checkpoint where a human can review the output of an AI process and approve, disapprove, or add comments, which add context and improve the fit of the AI response in the future. So these are ways that you maintain an oversight over the output, how the information is ingested, and whether your model is starting to drift. So these are 3 good points that we have. And so in the end, navigating AI ethics in data governance isn't just about showing you have AI. I mean, it's the most talked about principle today. It's not just about adding additional constraint to your pipeline and process. We're not looking to slow down your innovation. It's about guiding it in the right directions. If we build ethical consideration into design, we can protect privacy at every step and commit to ongoing oversight. We can harness AI potential while preserving trust. The future of AI will be shaped by those who act responsibly today. So let's make sure that we're among them, and let's do AI right. Thank you.